Good morning to you. It's so nice to see you. Good morning, it's fun greeting you. Here we are, and we still shine like a star. We could just wave our hands, or we could shake our hands. Hey, hey, what do you say? Let's celebrate. It's a brand new day. Good morning, it is a beautiful day. Good morning to you.
Good morning, children. I am Nikita ma'am. I hope you all are fine and happy. In today's session, we will do the revision of alphabets M, N, O and P. We will do the revision through the pictures and an activity.
This is alphabet M. Capital M, Mama M. Small m, baby m. The sound of alphabet M is M. M for mat. M for mug. M for monkey. M for mango. M for mouse. M for marbles. M for matchbox. M for marigold. M for mountain. M for map. M for mushroom. M for mirror. M for milk. M for mop. This is alphabet N. The sound of alphabet N is N. This is capital N, Mama N. Small n, baby n. N for net. N for nest. N for napkin. N for nail. N for nut. N for nose. N for nib. N for nurse. N for notepad. N for neck. N for 9. N for newspaper. N for noodles. N for nail cutter. N for needle. This is alphabet O. The sound of alphabet O is O. This is capital O, Mama O. Small o, baby o. O for octopus. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for orange. O for oil. O for 1. O for owl. O for onion. O for oven. O for olives. This is alphabet P. The sound of alphabet P is P. Capital P, Mama P. Baby P, small p. P for peacock. P for parrot. P for pen. P for pen. P for piano. P for potato. P for plant. P for penguin. P for papaya. P for pin. P for pot. P for pillow. P for plate. P for pig. P for pencil. Very good, children.
Now let's do an activity.
In this activity, here are the alphabet M, N, O, P are given, and here are some pictures related to this alphabet. We have to identify the picture and put it under the correct alphabet. Pan. P for pan. Next, pencil. P for pencil. Oven. O for oven. Necklace. N for necklace. Mountain. M for mountain. Octopus. O for octopus. Newspaper. N for newspaper. Monkey. M for monkey. One. O for one. Net. N for net. Orange. O for orange. Parachute. P for parachute. Mango. M for mango. Nest. N for nest. Moon. M for moon. Plant. P for plant. Very good, children. Now I will give you 2 worksheets for the practice. Here one side there are alphabet M, N, O, P are given, and the other side pictures related to the alphabet are given. So you will have to match the alphabet with its correct picture. For example, this is alphabet M. So we will match it with moon. M for moon. So in the same way, you have to match all the given alphabet. You have to do this worksheet in your English classwork book on page number 21. In this worksheet, here are some alphabet written that you have already learned, and here are some pictures related to these alphabet. You have to identify which alphabet is this and match it with its correct picture. Like this is alphabet C. So we will match it with carrot. C for carrot. Like this, you have to do this worksheet on page number 22 in your English classwork book.
I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.